what is the recipe for a good life? And how do we put more love into our lives? How many of us have had recipes that didn't turn out right? Huh? Well, we have to have the right ingredients. Just like if you think of making a cake. Is your life a piece of cake? Well, there have to be certain ingredients or it won't work. If you're gonna make a cake, you have to have the right ingredients. So, I have a list of ingredients, and at the end of my series, I will provide you with the entire list. Now, we're going over it step by step, and then I will explain what each ingredient is. Okay? If you've ever baked, you know this. They are salt, sugar, baking soda, egg, butter, flour, a flavor, water or milk, and heat to make it all rise and bake, right? So we need all of those ingredients in order to bake a cake. If your life is not a piece of cake that you enjoy, or if it doesn't taste very good, then perhaps the ingredients are not mixed up properly, or maybe they're the wrong amounts, or maybe you've left some ingredient out. The first ingredient is you. You are the first ingredient. I'm calling the first ingredient salt. Salt is really important. It seems like a small ingredient, but it's very important. And you don't need much, but it's important. The first ingredient that you have to have in any relationship is you. You have to be there. The real you. Now, a lot of times we're not really there because we cut off our feelings, or our minds are somewhere else, or we're not really paying attention to the other person. We're not really there. We're only half there. So when you can be there, really there with somebody else, and paying attention to them and paying attention to yourself. It's a difficult job when we're talking about the ingredients in the recipe for a happy life. The first ingredient is you. Make sure that you know yourself. Then you can add your salt to the recipe. You are the salt of the earth, and you're the first ingredient in the recipe for a happy life. You are the salt of the earth. There's a lot more to this recipe. So let's look forward to next time when we talk about the next ingredient. We'll go over some more about the recipe for a good life and more love. Thank you.